you have a choice. You have a choice to change your thoughts and focus on the positive. You either decide to go, this sucks, it's never going to work. But at the end of the day, you can be critical, but then there's a choice of either moving on or not. This is going to run its course. I mean, I don't know how long it's going to go. I don't think anybody does. But at the end of the day, and what I really feel is that life has changed you guys the way you're going to do business, I think, for the rest of our lives. I really do. What bad things can happen if you do a poor job of making decisions and you delay and you delay and you delay? I think number one, you're compromising yourself. You really are compromising yourself. I think it affects your self-esteem. Somebody just said angst. That's a great one. It creates angst, anxiety. Great answer. I don't think there's anything worse than waking up every morning and going, okay, hell, do I still have a job? Let alone, what am I going to do? This session's about how to increase your activity levels, right? How to increase activity. You got to start making better decisions in your life. Make them quicker. I don't care about the better. Just make them quicker, okay? Because if you make a quick decision, if you mess up, okay, you're still going to get information back that allows you to be able to disseminate, digest, and make course correction if you need to. Number two is you have to start changing your thoughts. When you are reaching out to an organization, okay, you have to have this belief of, hey, maybe it's not perfect. They're probably already happy with the client. They're probably already happy with these guys. I mean, listen, I'm brand new. Why would they want to talk to me? I mean, 5 more minutes with you, I'll be sucking on an exhaust pipe in the parking lot. I mean, damn, it's pretty depressing. You'll sell yourself out of making the phone call because you already assumed you've lost. COVID's going on. It's not exactly unicorns and rainbows going on right now, you guys, right? I mean, that's why I made that joke, I think, one of the first live sessions I did. I said, have you ever made that comment like, oh my God, please stop the world, I want to get off? And I joked, I go, well, you just got your wish because it stopped. Once you get that information back from making a decision to trying something and it's negative, then you go, okay, great, now I know. That's how you get smarter. That's how you get competent. Thoughts on fear of not appearing sympathetic. Well, first off, you have a job to do, but you have to be sympathetic. Here, for example, I remember that I would make live phone calls, you guys, and sometimes I would call into an area where, for example, I remember calling into a place that just had a hurricane. That place was just trashed for quite a while just because of everything. When I call, I go, hey, how's it going? Let me just stop. First off, how the heck are things going in New Orleans? I mean, you guys got turned upside down. Whatever you have to do, you have to put yourself in their shoes. And I think if you do that, you will sound emotional on the phone. I'm sure that your boss or your manager, your company still wants you to perform. You just need to change the way you're performing. But to answer his question, if you're afraid of that, just change your thoughts. Focus on serving and just reaching out to people as a human being, not do you want to buy my product. Here, I'll give you a quick fix. Call 20 people today, and I don't give a shit about your product. I don't even care. You don't even represent who you are anymore. You don't. You just call them and go, hi, I wanted to reach out. How the heck is it going? Just forget about your product for the first 5 minutes. Forget about it. Just forget about it. And the last one is you guys take action. And so the 3 steps, the third one is just take action. Because you can do both of those, but then you got to take action and do something, you guys. And that's the one thing I do see reps doing a lot. They get stuck in, I said it earlier, analysis paralysis. Get on the phone and go. Hey, oh, by the way, before you hang up, if you're not on it, just make sure if you go to free CostiganTrainingUniversity.com, sorry, I am offering that to where it's versions of what I have for my large clients. I said, hey, I want to give back as well. So I want to make sure that you guys have access to that.